Secrets to manifesting money a lot faster. Hey, Haug here, and in today's video, we're going to be going through a very quick, simple technique and system to allow yourself to turbocharge forward in your money manifestations right now. Before we jump into the video, make sure you throw a like on the video. It's going to send out to a lot more people, and together we can raise the consciousness of this planet. Also, click subscribe to the channel. Make sure you're subscribed and notified when we send out other great manifestation how-to content, as this is your go-to channel for making all manifestations and results easy and simple. All right, money and manifestation is a lot easier than what people really think and what people are challenged by. Really allowing yourself to manifest the money you want to is all a mental game. So a couple of quick notes here, and again, this is going to be a shorter video so we can really have you know exactly what to do here. Every single day, I want you to start counting money in your mind. Before bed, first thing in the morning, whatever it is. I want you to literally take those $100 bills and count them over and over and over. Watch your hands in your imagination counting these $100 bills over and over. And while you're doing that, I want you to feel the possession of the money. That's very important, because there's two sides of this. When you're thinking about what you want, you could be feeling the absence of it. And the more absence you're feeling, that's the energy and the circumstances you're going to be pulling into your life more and more. Okay, so I'm literally in the feeling of absence. That means I'm in the vibration of absence, and I'm going to be in harmony with seeing results that aren't in harmony with what I intend. Okay, so undesirable things into your life. Okay, feeling and vibration are one and the same. So if I feel it's not here, I am literally on a lower frequency than I desire to be, allowing me to really see circumstances I don't want in my life. The other way is presence. If I can feel the presence of the money, now physically right around me, it might not be true. You might be counting $1,000, $10,000, whatever it is, right? And physically right now, it may not be true, but spiritually it is true. In your imagination, the powerhouse of creation, it is true. So we call it a spiritual truth, but a physical lie when you're counting this money, okay? So feel the presence of the money. How do you feel the presence of money? Well, pretend you are literally actually counting the money in front of you, those $100 bills, right? And how would you feel? You would feel the money. So feel the money, okay? And tell yourself, this is mine, this is mine, this is mine, this is mine. You want to match your inner speech with the ownership of the money, the possession of the money. That's going to help induce a lot more of the presence feeling for you, and it's going to really absorb into your body. So when you're counting this money, say this is mine, this is mine, this is mine. And as you do so, you're going to start to create what we call a money consciousness. What a money consciousness really is you are in a consciousness, in your imagination, in your energy, in the possession of money before you actually have it. Okay, so we call wealth consciousness. What that means is you see yourself in wealth circumstances. If you're in a luxury consciousness, you're seeing yourself in luxury circumstances. Okay, so really the art of manifesting money as fast as possible is starting to see yourself in better money conditions, situations, and circumstances before that actually happens in this physical realm. Okay, it's a lot easier for you to manifest money than you think. You can manifest an extra $1,000 within the next 24 hours. That is not crazy. Okay, I'm not promising anything that I have not shown my clients how to do. I've worked with hundreds of people, thousands of my members, okay, and they have all been able to manifest something into their life even better than before. Now, some of them took, literally hours to manifest what they wanted. Some have taken months because their money mindset was really, really limited, and we had to do a lot of internal work, internal healing around money in order to get there, right? And ultimately, that's what we do in our courses, as well as show you how to clean your money energy, change your money programming, to allow yourself to see more of you in possession of what you do want. So really what you're doing here is you're counting this money. It's what we call an end scene. An end scene is you in possession of the thing you want before you get it, okay? So every morning, every night, like I said, in order to manifest money a lot faster, see yourself doing this every day. Do it for 30 days straight while watching this video over every single morning for 30 days. So what it's gonna do is you're gonna actually be in the element of this video. You're going to absorb the feeling of the video, the money teachings, the knowledge, then go right after, take 1 to 2 minutes, twice a day, really best if you do it morning and night before bed, counting the money in your mind. Do it for 30 days. It's a long time. That's how you make yourself accountable with that is you take a sheet of paper or you print off a calendar, make 30 boxes, okay? Just make a little chart, and then every single day, put it by something you already do. You brush your teeth every morning, put it by your toothbrush. You plug your phone in at night before you go to bed, put it by your phone just so you remember, okay? But every day you mark a check and then come back to this YouTube video, rewatch it, mark a check. Keep yourself even more accountable by going in the comments. So watch the video, make the check mark, and then comment day number 1 complete, day number 2 complete. It's going to increase your confidence and accountability. Consistency is key to manifesting money very quickly. Count money every single day. It's one of the number 1 techniques to allow yourself to manifest money a lot faster into your life. If you want a lot more depth, like you would like a 50-hour plus course on just money alone, go in the description below and join into our Manifestation Accelerator course. It's the number 1 manifestation course on the planet for money. You're going to be able to manifest every money dollar amount that you could ever choose right there. And we have over 2,000 member wins that are just manifesting money alone. Okay, so literally people manifest $100 to $1,000, all the way upwards to 50,000, 230,000. We've had clients do. Now that's out of the norm for people to do, but you can manifest absolutely something even better. Try out the technique here. Get involved in our course if you feel called to, okay? It'll definitely help you out in a very long run. I look forward to hearing and seeing your comments down below for 30 days of accountability of counting money every morning and every night, feeling the possession. Remember, the feeling is the key. The presence feeling is what you want, so you match your inner speech saying, this is mine, okay? And it will change your life so dramatically.